Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. The 40% discount on the goal-based portfolio management course ends tomorrow, January the 3rd. This is a set of videos that are available in a Facebook group, and the videos will talk about how we can manage our portfolio and achieve our goals no matter what the market condition is. That is, instead of simply investing every month and hoping for returns from the market, we take our portfolio and actively manage it and ensure we attain our goals no matter what. So the strategies for doing that will be discussed. This is a set of videos available in a Facebook group. So a Facebook account is necessary for you to join the group. The payment is one time and the access is lifetime. There's no problem there. So you only need to pay rupees 1800 until tomorrow, January 3rd. To enter the group. If you are from outside the country and you cannot pay in rupees, you have to pay via PayPal, $26. The membership of the group at the time of making this video is 2036, and you can I will leave this link below. You can look at the contents. You can see the first video, which is for free, and decide if this is for you. Inside the group there is also a very simple video, a basic video, because some people have asked me, I'm a newbie, will this course work for me, and will I be able to get benefit for this course? In my opinion, yes, but just to ensure that newbies don't get scared by looking at the videos, I have also included a very simple basic video where the importance of portfolio management, the importance of asset allocation, and why and where this course comes from. It's easy, everybody can get started. Today, people would say all you need is an asset allocation of 50% equity, 50% fixed income, and you just need some Nifty 50 index fund, Nifty next 50 index fund, and that's all there is to it. Use your PPF or EPF, and that's it. You can get started. That's fine, but that's not all there is to portfolio management, because there will be sudden up movements, down movements, crashes, and so on, and you will have to manage your portfolio actively. We will talk about what a sequence of return, risk, and why that matters, and what about the portfolio management after retirement, what kind of strategy will work before retirement, after retirement, and how we have to vary our asset allocation in order to attain our goals. So you can check out the contents page here. The first video is available here. I will leave this link in the description and also in the first comment, and I'll also leave this buy link. So this is a 40% discount. The price will become 3000 rupees from Monday onwards. All future discounts will be at a higher price, so you will not be able to get in at this price of 1800 rupees. So make use of this offer.